Hey guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at the OEM BMW base bars for BMW F30s. Now, several companies build base bars for the F30s such as Yakima, Thule, and BMW. However, in my opinion, the BMW offering is the best value for price since you can find these in the $150 range in the used market. You can actually find these for new $207 on eBay, link in the description below. So I'm going to stop talking now and get directly onto the B-roll. The part number for those of you wondering is 82712361814. So again, the reason why I chose these bars over any other option is the price. Coupled with bike carriers and a fairing, which I all plan to add in future videos, this entire package comes in at around $400, which is still cheaper than competitors' base bars. The bars are constructed of a rugged aluminum steel making up the feet. They mount directly onto your BMW if you have mounting options in your roof. I believe that only the carbon fiber roof cars do not have these mounting points. Installation is relatively easy. The bars come with mounting directions on stickers underneath the lock caps, which tell the user which mounting point on the car to use. To begin installation, the user just needs to locate the mounting point to the correct leg of each bar. Each leg will then basically be screwed into the mounting point of the car. I recommend that the user clean the threads on the mounting points on the roof of your car before screwing into the mounting point because you don't want to cross thread these mounting points. The kit also comes with all the necessary tools to install the bars. It comes with a tool that helps the user torque down each mounting screw to the 8 Nm which it requires, which is pretty neat. Overall, I found the installation of these bars to be very simple and straightforward. It took me only around 30 minutes maximum to get these bars on the first time. Most of the time was just spent making sure that I did not cross thread those mounting points on my roof. I would highly recommend these bars to anyone in the market looking for a roof rack. I think there's nothing that can quite beat the value at around $150. The build quality is also impressive for the price, and you get a nice set of BMW logos on the lock caps to add to your BMW. No horsepower though because there's no M badging. I'll be adding to this roof rack in the future and making videos on that also. If you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. All information for purchasing these roof racks will be in the description below. Thank you.